Welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is Laos. Dear friends, Erenehumin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Kamaya, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is Laos. In English, this word Laos means people. In the Bible, it refers to God's chosen people, the community called into covenant with Him. And we are reminded in the first letter of Peter, chapter 2, verse 9, you are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a people of His own, so that you may announce the praises of Him who called you out of darkness into His wonderful light. And here, a chosen people. Here, Laos is not simply a crowd or a nation. It is the new community of believers bound together by God's grace. And this word also echoes in the Old Testament, where Israel was addressed as God's people. The covenant made at Sinai defined their identity, not by power or wealth, but by their belonging to the Lord. Now in Christ, this covenant has been renewed and extended to all who believe. Pag tinignan natin itong salitang ito, Laos, this is where we get the word laity or laiko. And we are reminded that every baptized person shares in this identity. Hindi lang yung mga kaparian o yung mga consecrated, na ang bawat isa sa atin ay bahagi ng bayan ng Diyos, God's Laos, na tinatawag tayo na maging banal. Tinatawag tayo para ipalaganap yung mabuting balita, that we are given a mission, and that we are called to witness, sumaksi. For us Christians, this word carries deep meaning in our life of faith. It causes us to respond with conviction and action. Kaya ito yung hamon sa atin. Paano natin may sasabuhay itong salitang ito? Do we act like God's people in prayer? Kaya nga, dapat pag nagdarasal, dapat merong anggulo yan na nagdarasal tayong sama-sama. We are God's people. Paano tayo magiging bayan ng Diyos? Sa katarungan, sa pag-ibig, para sa isa't isa? Or do we live as if we belong only to ourselves? Kaya hindi pwedeng magsarili lang tayo because we are part of the Laos. We are God's people, not by status, but by belonging to Him. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.